And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out to the northeast. What a glorious afternoon this was, especially when the winds tapered down a little bit. That was quite a ride last night, wasn't it? People were guessing, oh, it must have been gusting to 110 kilometers per hour. Well, actually, our strongest gust was 78 kilometers per hour. It just seemed a lot stronger than that. 22 is our daytime high, and we were down to 10 degrees at 5 a.m. this morning. That nice orangey color is what we want to see for the next several days, and that's exactly what we're going to see. Warmer temperatures all the way through, and these temperatures are actually on the cooler side of what we're going to see 3 or 4 days down the road. It's going to be a hot one. Well, even before that, as we get into the weekend, temperatures are going to be very warm. Here's where we're watching some significant weather in terms of heavy rainfall warnings out for Fort McMurray, Fort Chipewyan. Could see some good rain amounts overnight tonight. That should all end as they get into tomorrow morning. But for right now, rainfall warnings are in effect. To the south here, you can see that area of high pressure nicely digging in. That'll continue to be the situation as we move through the next several days. We are expecting to enter a heat wave. Now, a heat wave is technically 3 consecutive days where temperatures reach 30 degrees or above. That is what we're heading into as we head into the weekend. So as far as the forecaster is concerned, that cloud cover to the north from that low pressure center moving across a clear area of high pressure to the south, just some mid-level cloud that has zipped across this afternoon. But as we get into later in the day on Thursday, we see that there is that chance of precipitation just along the mountains. That's why for Crow's Nest Pass, we have factored in chance of a late day thunder shower for you, just a little bit of instability, I should say, pushing off the mountains. But other than that, that's just a quick event. And then for the days after that, looking very sunny and very warm for all of us. 22 degrees in St. John's right now. An upper low level trough is moving across the Atlantic provinces. So some showers expected in behind that frontal system through the Maritimes overnight tonight and tomorrow, but then clearing out after that. We've got 28 degrees in Winnipeg, and I should mention some thunder showers as well right along the Manitoba, Northern Ontario border, and then Southern Ontario, Southern Quebec expecting some pop-up thunder showers tonight as well. 24 in Regina, 19 in Saskatoon, 14 in Edmonton. Sunny on the coast, 17 degrees right now in Vancouver, expecting a sun and cloud mix over the next few days. Same scenario for Whitehorse, cloudy right now, but they're expecting sun and cloud for the next few days, and 3 or 4 days of straight sunshine during the daytime hours for Yellowknife right now. Now for East Kootenay, your overnight forecast, 8 degrees for a low. You'll have lots of clear skies tonight, lots of sunshine tomorrow, 26 degrees for a daytime high. Winds will be out of the south by mid-afternoon. For the Crow's Nest Pass, here we factored in late in the day tomorrow that chance of a late day thunder shower, but still nice temperatures, 23 degrees tomorrow, 5 degrees for an overnight low tonight. Medicine Hat, clear skies tonight, down to 9 degrees. Sunshine tomorrow, 28 for a daytime high, and not too windy out of the west at 20 kilometers per hour by mid-afternoon. Here in Lethbridge, clear skies tonight, 5 degrees for a low. Tomorrow, sun and cloud mix, an easterly wind, 24, possibly 25 degrees for a daytime high, and it just gets warmer after that. There's your 5-day forecast. We're heading into that heat wave as we get into the weekend, and as I said, temperatures even on Tuesday for us here, we could be looking at 33 again for a daytime high as we get into Tuesday. Now we're starting a new feature once a week on Wednesday. It's called Live Better. Our first focus, or our first topic, is living with clutter. It can weigh you down, it can bring you down, it can tie you down because you have all this stuff to deal with. It's unhealthy, it collects dust, so if you have someone with breathing problems in your family, that's not good either. But it can also cause some internal strife in the family, and it can also lead to fits of depression, so be aware of that. If you need help organizing, you can go online to blog.neatandsimple.com. There's a whole slew of advice and tips on how to get organized and make your life easier. And that's our Live Better tip for this week. Have a good evening, everyone.